What are you doing? I'm brushing my teeth. Good, done. But how come you have all these sisters in your room and you won't give me anything? I think you're holding my tooth. Sorry, here. Can you pass me the soap? Okay. Here. Thank you. I just need to do that because I wanted $10, but my ass ring because I got it because I want to shit my booty. Okay, can I have one of your jackets to wear for school? No. You're so awkward with everything. I am not awkward. You're awkward. Big head looking like a fool. Let's cut this Friday. Let's go.